Musk has teamed up with Dell to probably build kind of his own data center, right, which he's calling his AI powerhouse to power something called as Grok 1.5. And they've committed almost close to 100,000 H100 GPUs to be bought from NVIDIA, right? And for people who do not know, H100 is one of the most, not one of the, probably the most powerful, GPU engines or tensor, engines that NVIDIA has launched till date. In fact, this is what has been powering or these GPUs are the ones that have been powering your self-driven cars and so on, right? So, so again, I mean, with all these announcements, it definitely feels that Elon pretty serious about Grok, where it goes. My only worry is that, not worry, probably just on a very side note, but obviously NVIDIA is, calling it shots everywhere. They're probably the most valuable company now, right? From market
Yeah.
cap perspective. But I think in one of the announcements, Jensen Huang had clearly mentioned that they will not be able to manufacture more than 550 H100 GPUs annually, out of which they are committing 100,000 to Musk. So this deal must be very serious for him.
I mean, this is the power to get all the chips before the other party goes. This happened in during the COVID era also, during the ZERP era, zero interest rate era, where
Exactly.
um, Facebook and Amazon and Oracles, everyone overhired in the Bay Area, literally, during I would say the work from home culture was running around, and eventually it all came crashing down. So it's a similar analogy here, but I think here they're gonna stay long. I mean, GPUs, right? They run out of their lifetime in 3 years or something like that, or even lower. But yeah, it's just showing the world that they are collecting as much
Okay.
power as possible. This, in a way, also kind of reduces other competitors to come out. Like now, OpenAI will have to run around, figure out where they get their chips, and so yeah, I mean, Nvidia. I mean, everything is good for Nvidia eventually. They are like crazy. They're showing the world why silicon matters, why hardware matters actually. So that's crazy.
Agreed. But see, one thing that I have from this perspective, right, Shiva, is that Grok or XAI, sorry for that matter, has been in news, right, most of this year. But none of this use has been around the features, etc., right, of the
Yeah,
newer capabilities. It's mostly around what they're running, or probably what Musk is trying to do is leverage his own brand name in in the industry, right,
yeah.
globally, right. So I think what would be very, very interesting to see is how probably this is leveraged to build something which is much more capable than already proven players like OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, etc., right. That's what I'm waiting for at least.
I mean, let's see. I mean, this is a race. Let's see where it gets to.